Anyone who stops learning is old, whether 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young, believe in the best, have a goal for the best. Never be satisfied with less than your best. Try your best. And in the long run, things will turn out for the best. One of the greatest discoveries a person makes, one of their great surprises, is to find they can do what they were afraid they couldn't do. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. Life is a series of experiences, each of which makes us bigger. Even though it is hard to realize this, for the world was built to develop character, and we must learn that the setbacks and griefs which we endure help us in our marching onward. You say I started out with practically nothing, but that isn't correct. We all start with all there is. It's how we use it that makes things possible. There are no big problems. There are just a lot of little problems. Those who stop marketing to save money are like those who stop a clock to save time. One who fears failure limits his activities. The object of education is not to fill a man's mind with facts. It is to teach him how to use his mind in thinking. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. You are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul. Mediocrity is the worst enemy of prosperity. There are no dead ends. There is always a way out. What you learn in one failure, you utilize in your next success. Luck and destiny are the excuses of the world's failures. A poor man is not the one without a cent. A poor man is the one without a dream. You can take my factories, burn up my buildings, but give me my people and I'll build the business right back again. Those who never make mistakes work for those of us who do. You can do anything if you have enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is the yeast that makes your hopes rise to the stars. Life is a series of experiences, each of which makes us bigger. Even though it is hard to realize this, for the world was built to develop character, and we must learn that the setbacks and griefs which we endure help us in our marching onward. If it doesn't add value, it's waste. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages.